In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. We're going to keep this simple and effective so you can confidently clean up any photo or graphic. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the image you want to edit on your canvas. Click the image to select it. When the image is selected, you'll see editing options appear in the toolbar. From there, look for the eraser option. This is where you'll choose how you want to remove parts of your image. You'll see two choices: Magic Eraser and Pixel Eraser. Magic Eraser is the faster, smarter option. It uses Canva's detection to automatically identify and remove unwanted areas. This is great for quick cleanups like taking out a background, removing a stray object, or clearing text that's sitting on a relatively simple surface. Once you choose Magic Eraser, let it do the heavy lifting. It looks for similar pixels and removes them as a group, which keeps your workflow speedy and consistent. If it takes out more than you intended, don't worry. Just take a step back and try again with a smaller area in mind. Subtle selections typically yield cleaner, more natural-looking results. Pixel Eraser, on the other hand, is the manual, precision approach. Think of it like a tiny brush that lets you carefully wipe away exactly what you don't want, one stroke at a time. This is ideal for fine-tuning edges, cleaning up small blemishes, or preserving detailed parts of your subject where automatic tools might be too aggressive. Move patiently over the areas you want gone, and keep your movements controlled and deliberate. For best results, work in short passes, and keep an eye on transitions between erased and non-erased areas so everything blends seamlessly. A helpful mindset here is to choose the tool based on the job. If you're removing broad, simple regions like a plain background or a clearly separate object, Magic Eraser will get you there quickly. If you're working around hair, intricate edges, or tiny imperfections, Pixel Eraser gives you the control you need. It's perfectly normal to use both approaches in the same image, starting with Magic Eraser for the big stuff and moving to Pixel Eraser for detail work. And that's the process. Open your project, click your image, choose Eraser from the toolbar, and then pick Magic Eraser or Pixel Eraser depending on how precise you want to be. Experiment a bit, take your time, and you'll get clean, professional results in no time.